Hi team. Today I will be discussing about Linux commands, which and what is command. So which command will give the exact executable of the command, like whatever the command we are searching, it will provide the full path of the executable, and what is command provides the short form of the manual page. So it provide the command description in the short way. So I will be discuss them. So in the terminal, this is the shell. Now I am in bash shell. So I will use which command to describe the cat. I want to see the where cat command executable is. So then I can use this is the cat command executable. It is in the user bin directory. Same way we can also verify ls command. So ls command, this is executable. Like this we can use different ways when we can see where is the which command executable is placed. So which grep. So by this way we can identify the executable of the file where the executable is placed, exact path, the which command is used to verify the same. Next, what is command. What is command is, it also describe the command in short form. Man command is a manual. It provides the full information of the command. But what is command will provide short form of the command. So now I need to find the cat command. If you observe here, what is cat? Concatenate files and print the standard output. So cat is concatenating the files. This way we can identify the command description, what the command will do exactly in the short form. Man also provide same way but in a higher, like full description of the cat. If you see, name, concatenate and files and print the standard output. So but if we don't need these options and everything, we just need what is cat, then we can use what is command. What is ls? What is ls? So list directory contents. In a particular directory we can list all the contents, like directories, files, subdirectories, everything we can list. What is ll? Nothing appropriate, so there is no command. So by this way we can use which command and what is command. What is grep? Grep is a filter. Grep is a normally it's a filter. It prints the lines that match patterns. Whatever the pattern we match to the particular in a file, particular lines, it prints all the lines in a file. By that way, we will use the print grep command. Next, what is cut? Cut also removes sections from each line of files. So it removes the sections. Cut command will remove the sections from each line of files. What is AWK? AWK also one filter command, pattern scanning and text processing language. So by this way we can just know the what is command will do. This is what command, and which command is, suppose I need to verify which command, by using AWK, the full path where the executable is there. Which AWK? See, the full path is all the user bin directory. So if we list the files in a user bin, we can find all the executable here. Whatever the executable means, whatever the X symbol, X means executable. So these are all the executable files, commands executable available in the Linux operating system. This is a user bin directory. So that's all about today.